Thailand's long-delayed program to acquire a Chinese-built submarine is moving forward after the Thai cabinet approved a plan to replace German-made engines with Chinese alternatives. Bangkok first approved the deal to purchase an S-26T diesel-electric submarine, essentially an export version of the Type 039A or Yuan class, from China Shipbuilding and Offshore International Company for THB 13.5 billion, $417 million in 2017. At the time, the plan was for the vessel to be fitted with German-made MTU-396 diesel engines, with delivery of the submarine scheduled for 2023. However, Berlin later blocked the export of the MTU-396S to China, citing military use restrictions under a standing 1989 European Union arms embargo. As a result, the S-26T program stalled in 2021, despite the submarine being roughly 64% complete. Under the agreement now reached, the submarine will be powered by Chinese-built CHD-620 engines, with Rear Admiral Paraj Ratnajapan, deputy spokesman for the Royal Thai Navy, RTN, telling Thai media that the Chinese system exceeds the performance and safety standards of the original German engine. The same CHD-620 powerplant is fitted to Pakistan's Hangar-class submarines, which are also based on the Type 039A design and are currently being built. The Thai cabinet also approved a 1,217-day extension to the submarine program, equivalent to about 3.3 years, pushing delivery well into the latter part of this decade. In 2015 Thailand had announced intentions to buy 3 S-26Ts, but this was later cut back to a single boat initially. The 2017 deal also included a Type 071E landing platform dock, intended to serve as a multi-role amphibious ship and possibly as a submarine tender. That vessel was delivered as HTMS Chang in 2023. In the same cabinet session, approval was given for the acquisition of 2 additional frigates at a cost of THB 35 billion as well. One of these will be funded in FY 2026 to the tune of THB 17.5 billion.